So today guys, Pikachu is gonna be playing Minecraft with me. Of course, spiderman. Yeah. Also guys, if we get how many, let's say if we get 20, not 10, 20 views on this video, then soon enough we'll make another video with Captain America. Yeah, I'll tell Steve Rogers to come. Really, I'll tell him to come. He's gonna be playing Minecraft. So let the challenge begin! Yay! Let's begin. Let's begin. Can you? Okay. Yes! Now we can start the world. Choose the world that looks lonely. Yeah. Okay, now I got 1 second. Just telling the viewers who are watching this video that the other map, where is it? This map is a rich map. Just like how a rich person have a house. This is like how a poor person have a house. Yeah. So, let's get into the video. Can you stop licking me? Okay. And Pikachu, don't escape. Okay. What is this catastrophe? Can you just, please, fix all this mess of I don't need. What's it called again? I forgot the name. Wood. Yes, thank you. Yes. Thank you for leaving it in the comments, guys. That's why I want you to subscribe. Yeah. Holy cow. Can you just please do it? Well, can you? Oh. Yeah, you need to finish the roof in a stylish way. Whoa! Oh no. You know how to do it, right? Okay, just did an accident. Okay. Don't worry. Accidents happen. Even in movies, the actors have to do things same time. Okay, so not everything can be done immediately. I will have to. Yeah, Pikachu, you seem to be doing a great job in doing it. Yeah, seem to be doing a wonderful job in doing it. Look at this. Although you're just going sideways, so you not remember to do this, dude. And this how I do it. Okay, can you stand up? I don't know what I just heard, guys. Oh, I think you made it. Yeah, be careful, don't go down. It looks like it's on. Be careful. Phantoms actually may come. Actually, that's not good. Phantoms will still come. That's not good. Maybe. And now for phantoms, for us, it could really kill me. No point. I mean Pikachu, because technically he is making the top, and looks like he's almost finished. Come on, you can do this. That's all wood. Don't worry, you can just place it by throwing it into the lava. Right. Or you can just use the extra to make tools. Okay, can you just use an axe, please? Well, at least the house is finished, but I need a little bit of decorating. We have these sea lantern things. What are these called again? Sea lanterns. Yeah, sea anchoring. Oh, okay. I didn't remember the names. This is yours. you like this decoration, Pikachu? I'm just asking this now, right? You like it? Okay, put it down. Put it down. Okay, you don't like it, but see, I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good. So I think we would like to fill up, although he does not like it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, just put your hand down. Do nothing. Okay. Let's just clean up all this first. So, what's this doing here? Also, I think that's a good way of letting light in. Can you fix that glass? Can you fix it from here? Oh. You already have a piece of glass in here? Oh my god, Jane, just fix it then, dude. That's weird. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I mean, we need to fix it. Yeah. Hey, you got all wood and the rest of the wood. Okay, this is your turn. I'm sorry. There's so many of your turns. Also, what's in this chest? Does he have diamonds? I said actually it was a poor thing. So I'm not really sure if he at least has one diamond or not. I really hope he has loads of, at least just one diamond. Nope, not in furnace. So unfortunately he didn't have much. Yeah. But we at least got some gold and we got some D, so he got pretty rich. He got a little bit rich. Unfortunately I think he's gonna eat those all and yeah. Oh, you want some? Only if you like and subscribe. Yeah, that's right, guys. If you like and subscribe, you can. I'll get next game of Minecraft. You'll find me, and I'll give you all my golden apples. I mean, the golden carrots. See? Yep. Oh no, don't mind that. Yeah. Look on this pan. Be careful. Yeah, cover the fire. It'll be dangerous. It'll be deadly. It'll spear you. Don't do that. Can you wipe your face? Or not? No? Put your hand down. Okay. I'm far down. Just sit. Okay, just sit. Just sit. And let's do it. Let's see what this do. What died there? That was weird. Oh, why was it? Oh. See guys, there is cobblestone. Why? Why is that there? That doesn't make any sense. At all. That doesn't make any sense at all. And something died there. Is that a spider? What died there? Yeah, that's weird. That's also weird. Either way, I think Pikachu does not want to do this. He anyways did not like it anyway, so yeah, I may have to do it. So wait, is the other area? No. Stay! Why are you always leaving? Don't you can sleep here until I call you next. Yeah, until you're next, you can sleep. No. Oh. I don't know what to do with that. I don't know. Okay, guess that's just a waste. Replace it, right? There you go, I think the decoration is set. And this seriously really looks like a floor. I was just mistaken. Looks like a rich area. Actually, this looks rich. This looks like some. Maybe he was first rich, and then this area became a poor. And just look at the house. It looks kind of a good house, but that was all on hand. We got speed boost. We got speed boost. Is it called speed boost? Speed. Is that called speed? No, we lost his speed. What do you mean? No, sitting actually useful. Oh, Pikachu! Ready to you do something. Look. Now, can you go into the settings? Oh, you need reach. Oh, okay. He just need reach. Okay. So, he just need reach. Do it. You're inviting people on the server? Who are you inviting on the server? Everybody on the server. You're adding everybody on the server. Stop it! This is not what I told you to do. All 14 just came on the server. Whoops! Oh, you did not read. I think I'll ask you to read. You're able to read? Now you lost your reading abilities. Okay, you got it. Now, oh, you found it. How did you now read, but before you did not? Okay. That's weird. But now, I will say flying. He's flying towards this here. Yeah. Oh, it is, of course. Yes, and it's actually quite a nice village. And what is in this sinkhole I see here? Yeah, it really looks like a sinkhole, and it's not. What's the grass in there? I don't know, but okay, that's it. There's a sinkhole that looks nice. Okay, it's a warm sinkhole. Okay, that's good. That's okay. And don't go on swallow because you can go to this incredible and see what they have. Why do they? Oh. I was gonna say, why do they only have staircases leading up to nothing? But this staircase actually leads to it. No balcony. These villagers are like a bit rich. Actually, they're like richers. Instead of richers. I don't know. Can you make a funny joke? Richers. Okay, he also said richers. Dude, richers? What is that even? What is even richers? Richers? Whatever. Okay, this is no way. Whoa, what did you just click? What did I just click? I don't know. Neta says, oh! Wait. Oh. Okay, I get it now. I just stepped on that. Okay. Look at that. This is something. There's a piece of obsidian. Hey, and it's obsidian here. But I can't find it. It just has a little bit of help with radar mode.